Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Photoshop. My name is Felix Bliss. In today's video, I'm going to show you my top 20 fonts in Photoshop, which include Amsterdam, Aston, Bugatti, and many more. So without much ado, let's start. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll open up my templates, okay? So I've already downloaded the fonts here. So this is my top 20 fonts. I've downloaded it. So I'm going to show you how I install these fonts. Then I'll show you how the font looks like. Please, if you want to get this font, it's in the description. But before then, you know what to do. Subscribe to this channel, like our video, and then watch this video till the end. Then you get a password. I hope it's a deal. So I'll open any of them. So I like maybe attraction. So I'll open attraction. The password here is it. Unless you're watching this video, you're not going to get. Okay. So watch this video. So the password is so I'll enter my password. Then I'll extract this. Okay. I've already installed most of them. Okay, so you just extract it, then you double click on it. So this is the preview of the font. Okay, so this is the font preview. Then you click on install. So the installation is done. Very simple way of doing this. I hope you get it. So if you want to extract also, you can extract, or after that I'll open up my Photoshop. So after Photoshop has opened, what I need to do is I'll create a new document. So from here, let's go in for the test and check if the font was installed. Okay, so I'll just go here. I'll go to my test. So from here, I would write anything. Okay, then after that, I'll change the font. So attraction, font name. Okay, so I'll select all. Then I'll come here and look for attraction. So you see attraction. So this is the font that I installed. So this is one of the fonts I usually use in my tutorials. Okay, so attraction is one of them, and then we have Amanda. Okay, this is Amanda. Okay, then we have conflict. Okay, I usually use this font. Okay, so this is conflict. You can see it's very nice font. Okay, so this is the font I'm talking about. So if you want to get this font, it is in the description. So these are my top 20 fonts. I can't go through all of them, but as you can see, I have almost all the 20 here. Okay, and I'll keep sharing with you more fonts. So don't go without subscribing to this channel. Please do well and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Felix. Please, bye bye.